How to reset WorldRemit account password. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can reset your WorldRemit password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to reset your WorldRemit account password, all you have to do is simply open your browser and go to worldremit.com, and then just make sure to tap the login button from the top right in order to come to the login page here. Once you come to the login page, if you had remembered your email and password, you would be able to log in without any issues. But since we do not remember our password, you can see forgotten password, reset it here. Make sure to tap on that button. As you tap on it, first thing it'll ask you to simply enter your email, so make sure you have access to this email address and tap the continue button. Once you've done this, an email with a password reset link has been sent to this email. So what we're going to do now is we're going to simply go ahead and then check our mailbox that we can find here, and as you can see, I have received a password reset request, so I'll make sure to just tap on it. And right over here you can see we have received a request to reset your WorldRemit password. Tap the reset my password link here, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then actually enter a new password without having to remember your old password. That's all it takes to go ahead and then actually reset your WorldRemit password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.